Away. There, stop. Away. Stop. Away. Away. Stop. Away. Stop. Away. Away. Stop. 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 Wait. Stop. So what I'm doing here is just trying to solidify her flanks. She clearly doesn't know them. She's just wanting to get to balance, which is good, but she needs to listen too. And she's turning in when she wants, and she needs to turn in when I tell her, not when she wants. Because I might not want her to bounce off. I might want her to take them and drive them away from me. Wait. Stop. Stop. And stop. I'm trying to give her as little physical help as possible. Wait. Stop. Wait. Wait. Stop. See, she's not listening. Wait. I tried to help her by calling her on around when I knew she would balance off. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Wait. Here. Pickle. Stop. Stop. Hey. Wait. Stop. Stop. Wait. Shoo, shoo. There. Gonna let her balance off. Just want her to check up a little bit. Hey. 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 Stop. Hey, you. Stop. Hey. So we got a little bit of happy feet going on. Hey. Stop. Come by. Stop. Come by. Come by. Come here. Pickle, stop. Come. I think this is her better side. Come by. Come by. Come here. Come. Good girl. There. Walk up. Steady. Hey. Down. Down.